Hi and welcome to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. Now, many time after breaking into the system, you might find yourself in a bit trouble that what to do next. The very important thing that you would really like to do next is not to get all those headaches which you have done while breaking first time into the system. For that you are having a lots of option to make a persistent backdoor into the system, or you can leave one of the port open into the system, or very easily you can leave a netcat into the system with editing in the registry that says whenever the system gets open up or being booted, immediately a netcat connection can be get back to your computer. So next time whenever you want to actually visit into the victim's computer, it would be much more easier for you. But really the problem is actually how we can actually open up a port into the remote computer or victim's computer so that we don't actually get into the much trouble. Whenever we want to visit into the computer, it would be much more easier. So for that condition, what we can do actually is really simple. We can actually type a command that says reg, that will give you all the registry options that you can actually get, editing into the registry of the victim's computer and do all the stuff that you can do. And also you can simply hit a shell command and can get into the shell options of the Windows and just find out some of the good commands of editing into the registry and can do quite a good thing. So let me quickly get into the shell of that remote computer. And what I can do immediately, I can type this command that is very simple. I'm actually making the firewall and making a additional entry into the firewall that says please open up the port number 445 and that says service firewall. So it will open up a port number 445 into the victim's computer, and that can really be a vulnerable thing. So okay, it says okay, and what I can do here is really simple. I can again type the same command. Let me get to that. Firewall, and I can actually check out that if the port is open or not. So let me type that. Show port opening, and it will list me all the ports which are open, and fortunately we have got only one port open up right now that says 445. So once you have compromised or hacked into the system with the firewall enabled, you can simply make an entry, and really not only making an entry and opening just a single port for hacking into the next time, you can do a lot more things with the registry. Registry are the really powerful thing in any Windows system. So that's all for this video, and keep enjoying the exploitation stuff.